Found a bag of weed yesterday. Give it up, guys! Finding a bag of weed! Finding a bag of weed is better than finding money, because if I found money, I would turn that money into a bag of weed. So really, God, we sort of been to the events here. Let's give it up for God, everybody. It was an amazing day. I went out and I did a bunch of errands, right? And I came back from doing errands, and I see this big, beautiful bag of weed right on my front steps, right? And I look around, like, it looks like a trap, like a Looney Tunes movie for stoners. Like, I said, where's the net, right? And I see this big, beautiful bag of weed, and I open it up, and it smells like two hippies fucking in a berry patch, right? And table over here, if you don't know, that's good weed. I want the weed that smells like two hippies fucking in a berry patch. Oh, is it raspberry? So I find this bag of weed, right? And I'm fucking pumped. I didn't have any weed, right? And I start smoking this weed in my apartment, right? But it's like a sativa blend, so it starts messing with my head. It starts fucking with me, right? And I start thinking, like, you know, where's this bag of weed from? Like, this is like a random, I found this on the street. Like, that's probably not good. Like, I live in a rough part of Portland, too. There's probably some homeless guy pissing on my building and calling his walking, or like, having sex with a hooker and or like pissing on a hooker. I don't know what he's doing, but I don't think it came from anywhere good. So I freak out, right? But what do you do when you get too high? You smoke more weed. That's right. So what I did is I smoked that entire bag of weed. This is what I gotta say about that whole experience, though. Before you go ahead and you smoke that entire bag of weed that you found in the afternoon, make sure it's not the bag of weed that you accidentally dropped earlier that morning. Now I'm out of weed, guys. It's all over. Thank you. I like that better than the laugh. That's awesome. Yeah, that's a good response.